to be able to get those dimensions correct. And now look at this, opting to include both the cut extrude and the hole and those little notches for the tab up top in the same sketch. That's pretty interesting. That is not how I did it. I did it from the top to get those notches. So today we get to see our very first sheet metal model from the 2025 World Championship. And I'm so excited to see Dom battle. It's so fun seeing him in the tournament again, but it's going to be a challenge going up against Lotos. Lotos is pretty fast. Now, if you like doing sheet metal challenges, be sure to visit us at tootalltoby.com. We've got a library of over 200 2D to 3D CAD challenges, and these challenges can be filtered, so you can search for all the fun sheet metal exercises and work through all of them. And of course, I hope that you will join us every Friday. We're going to be live streaming for the next 8 weeks, building up to the finals. So join us live for the next CAD vs. CAD battle. Let me know down below in the comments, what did you think about today's model, and what did you think about today's CAD vs. CAD battle? CMYKFPV says, yo, 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 what's up, what's up? Thinks it's going to be pizza. That's what I like. All right, let's go. Give this thing a rip. Here we go. What is it going to be? What is it going to be? Man, I'm so excited to see this match. Okay. All right, this is going to be interesting. All right, guys. Well, listen, this next battle is going to feature Lotos, a regular on the Too Tall Toby channel. He's from Ukraine. He's rocking Compass 3D, and he's an absolute beast in the world of speed modeling. Versus Dom. He's been a long-time competitor here in the tournament, looking to take down his first title, and he is an absolute wizard in the world of fabrication. So it's been amazing to see Dom work through these tournaments, and I cannot wait to see this battle take place. Guys, good luck to both of our runners. We got our number 6 seed going up against our number 10 seed. I think this is going to be an awesome battle. Mo in the chat says, get it, Dom. Yo, let's go. I agree. I agree. Here we go. This next CAD vs. CAD battle featuring Compass 3D versus SolidWorks begins in 3, 2, 1, go! What is the mass of this part in XXXX grams? Both of our runners are grabbing a screen capture, and both of our runners are jumping into their CAD system to try to turn this into a 3D model. And like I said, the Wheel of Fate is very cruel today. We teed up a sheet metal manufactured part for the one guy in the tournament who probably does more sheet metal than anybody in the tournament, none other than Dom. But I don't actually know Lotos's sheet metal experience, so for all I know, he may also be a sheet metal wizard. Both of our runners starting with that shape from the side. Dom right away jumping into the base flange command. Pretty interesting. One thing you may have noticed about Dom's sketch there is that he's using offset sketch entities, and that's something that we do a lot in sheet metal to make it easier to take the max dimensions, because the customer in the 2D print maybe gives you a dimension that represents the max or represents a dimension, like one is to the inside face and one is to the outside face. So by getting in there and using those offset sketch dimensions, Dom really set himself up to be able to get those dimensions correct. And now look at this, opting to include both the cut extrude and the hole and those little notches for the tab up top in the same sketch. That's pretty interesting. That is not how I did it. I did it from the top to get those notches. So really interesting how quickly he was able to get that. Even got the fillets there in that sketch. Wow. Dom putting on an absolute clinic here. And we see Lotos on the left is no slouch. I don't mean to undercut the work that Lotos is putting in there, but wow. Dom just blasting through using all the tricks in the sheet metal book, coming in with an answer 1039 grams. And that is correct. And congratulations to Dom. Wow, wow, wow. Even showing us a flat pattern of that thing for extra points. Wow, wow, wow. And Lotos, that was a tough model. Like I said, Dom has quite a bit of sheet metal experience, and I think we all saw that in that run. But wow, 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 that was fast. That was one of those models that, you know, with sheet metal, tier 3 sheet metal,